Hello viewers, welcome to UVol, the channel for database and data professionals. This is the second part of the topic on integrating an Oracle database with Microsoft Active Directory or AD, and in this part I am going to demonstrate how to configure an Oracle database to work with Microsoft Active Directory to authenticate database users using AD. Let's first get familiar with the virtual environment that we are going to use for this demo. This is my 64-bit Windows Server 2019 installed on a virtual machine named WinSVR1, where we configured our AD controller in the last part. This is our database server on a Linux virtual machine named VM Linux 1 with 64-bit Oracle Linux 7.9 and with Oracle RDBMS version 19.3 installed. We have a database named ORCL1 in this server. Now let's go back to our Windows Server 2019 or the AD controller and first configure it so we can integrate our Oracle database with it. I'm going to use mainly Windows PowerShell and command prompts to execute the configuration commands, and I am sharing all of them along with the steps in a shared document in my Google Drive. Let's first clear the screen, and this time I will execute the command again to log into the database using the AD authenticated user, that is SQL plus Aura DBA, and the password and @ORCL1. And yes, now we can see that the user is able to connect to the database. Do a show user Aura DBA. Now I'm going to execute one SQL command to find out a few more details and its accessibility to the database. You don't have to remember this command. I'm giving it in the description again. So this will give us some information about the user, the authenticated identity, authentication method, the LDAP server type, enterprise identity, etc. in one single output. So press enter, and here we see that the database name ORCL1 session user Aura DBA authenticated identity Manash/Aura DBA, that is the domain, and authenticated method password global, it is not local, LDAP server type AD, that is our Active Directory, and the enterprise identity, which has all the domain specific information about this user. So now we can conclude that we have successfully configured our Oracle database with Microsoft Active Directory, and we can create AD authenticated database users for this particular database. Please watch the full video using the link in the description below.